Time now to take a look at the earnings scorecard with Sheraz, Mian of Zacks.com. Here to let us know what he expects this earnings season. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
We've already heard from some of the big banks, and it's clear the banks are making money with trading.
That's right. Yes. Surprisingly, what we heard from the banks and what we have seen from the Fed quarterly report earlier is that loan demand has decelerated, and we saw that with all the big banks. But these are diversified financial conglomerates, so trading, investment banking have come to the rescue. That won't be the case with the regional banks, who depend a lot more on those commercial and industrial loans, and we'll see how those guys do.
What about the drug sector? We've been talking a lot on the show about drug prices.
That's right. It's more of the macro clouds and headwinds for that group. I think profitability should be fine, but the stocks, it's a defensive sector, and these questions about prices and regulation and all of that will remain with us for some time.
Defense stocks have been getting a bump.
That's right. Well, defense is the new growthier and more glamorous area for the market now. The administration seems to be a bit more on the hawkish side. They have been talking about building up defense. We haven't really seen much in actual dollars and cents yet, but the expectation is that this group should be doing a lot better in terms of their business over the coming years.
And then, Sheraz, we have to talk about the retailers. The retailers are struggling, cutting jobs.
That's right.
Tough margins.
Absolutely.
What do you think?
It's a tale of two worlds. So you have the retail. There's this question about overcapacity on the brick and mortar side. The traditional department store model is under threat. Even the big box business model is under threat. There is the Amazon phenomenon. There is the overall online merchants, and all of that is keeping that group under pressure. I don't expect those issues to go away, though some of those fears of the brick and mortar effectively going away are perhaps exaggerated.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.